Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. This is the fourth video of the recursion playlist and today topic is factorial number. From beginning the class of today, we can understand what is a factorial number. Like in this case, if n factorial, that means like example is 4. If 4 factorial, so we can multiply 4 into minus 1 smaller number like 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 1 1. So we can multiply all the numbers and here output is 4, like in this case n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to 1. Okay, so this is a factorial number. So firstly we can see how we can solve it iterative. We all know iterative method is very easy. Like in this case I take factorial as 1. Like when we are using the sum of all the numbers, we can see the sum is 0, but here we can take the factorial as 1. Why? Because if we can multiply 0 with any larger number, like I am multiplying 0 with 24, it becomes 0. So here I take factorial as 1. So like in this case 1 factorial 1 multiplied by 1, because firstly I is 1. Okay, so then in the factorial, what is happening in the factorial, we store now 1. Okay, so 1 multiply by, next time I becomes 2, so 1 multiply by 2. So now the factorial is 2. Okay, so 2 multiply by 3, now the factorial is 6. So 6 multiply by 4, now the factorial is 24. So if we are finding the factorial of a 4, so our output is 24. Okay, so like this is a iterative method and it is very easy to understand, but now we can understand how we can solve this code as a recursive. Like when we are doing any question of a recursion, what is the main thing? Like the main thing is building a recursive tree. If you are able to building a recursive tree, then the code is very easy to write. Okay, so like what is happening in this case, I take 4. If I am 4, what I am doing, I am doing n minus 1. Okay, like if I am doing 4 minus 1, that means 3. So what happened, 4 multiplied by 3. If I have 4 multiplied by 3, that means is 12. Okay, now what happened, this is the same thing again and again, like 3. So n minus 1, n minus 1 is 2. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 2, then 2 minus 1 1, 1 multiplied by 2. But when we reaches to 0, so our control get execute. So it is our base condition, when we reach at 0, we can return 1. Okay, so here this function can return 1. So 1 multiplied by 1, 1. Okay, so then 1 multiplied by 2, 2. 2 multiplied by 3, 6. And 6 multiplied by 4 is 12. In this way we can make a recursive tree. Okay, if you are able to make a recursive tree, then code is very easy. Like same, the base condition, if n is 0, so we can return the 1, and else what we can doing, n. What is n? First time n is 4, so 4 multiplied by factorial n minus 1, that means factorial of 3. We can calling the factorial of 3. Okay, then again 3 is passing here at a function as an argument, so base condition is not satisfied, again the function calling. Here the function calling, what happened, here we can see factorial of 3 calling to function factorial of 2, then factorial of 2 calling to function factorial of 1, then factorial of 1 calling to function factorial of 0, and what is happening, factorial of 0 returns to 1. Okay, so here we can multiplying with 2, or we can say like this, in this way it's return 1, then 1 into multiply into 2, then 2 multiplying into 3, then 3 multiplying into 4. So here the output is 24. I hope you clear this code. If you have any doubt, please comment your doubt in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. So at last we can run this code and enter any number of our choice. Like if I am writing the 4, So here the answer is 24. Okay. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.